ready yet, not ready yet. There we go. Oh. Alright. Solid fish. Got a bit of a sore on him there. That's a good at least 2.5. That's probably pushing 3 pounds right there. Not bad. Smaller guy. Not bad. Yeah, he's bigger than I thought he was. Oh, sorry, buddy. Fish landing violation. 2-minute penalty. Oh, Jesus. You kidding me? Okay. What? That fish had so much energy, he got himself off the hook and off the boat. Whoops. All right, let's be a little more careful next time. Oh, right at the boat. I mean, maybe 1.5 pounder, but still. Come on. There's one. Oh. That might not be a bass. I was looking at them on the screen. And there's a huge group of stuff clumped up. This is not a bass. I don't think. Probably a big catfish. There's probably a huge group of catfish down there. It is not coming up. Oh my, holy cow. Oh yeah. There's just a big pile of catfish down there. Alright. Well, now we know. Now we know. Let's see if we can get them without the net. Fail. Alright, easy. Whew. Oh. I didn't know he was on there at all. Goodness. Whoa, easy. Well, maybe because I didn't set the hook. Jesus. I thought I was in the weeds. It was just kind of like steady pressure, and I was just kind of pulling it along. And then I pulled a little bit harder, and he pulled back. But I never set the hook. Didn't know he was there. He got off the boat. Oh, there we go. Okay. Solid 2-pounder there. Not bad. Right where he should be on these rocks. Good one. I was about to reel it in and he just grabbed it. Might be a catfish. Fighting like a catfish. Taking me on a little sleigh ride. I would say definitely a catfish. And not a small one. Oh. Yep, there's the head rolls. Come on, bud, let me see you. Oh my gosh. This is smaller than the one I caught earlier. He's so strong. Holy cow. I don't know how much you can see from right there, but I mean, he was only like this big. The one I caught this morning was bigger than him. My goodness, was he strong. Holy cow. That was crazy.
Alright, here we are out on the morning of day 3. I lost the audio from the GoPro recording, so I'll fill you in on what's going on here. We're just out on one of these flats, again, live scoping some fish. I was really hoping we'd come across some schooling bass, especially with the overcast morning like this. I figured they'd be active for a lot longer. And I did find some marks out there, and I didn't think they were bass because they were quite large, and you'll see here what I end up finding. It's definitely not a bass. The GoPro didn't even look like it was recording at this point. I thought it was off, so I didn't even realize I got the video here, but I'm glad that I at least got the video. And you can see the look on my face when I realized how big this scar was. And oh my gosh, right at me. Yeah, so they were clearly eating bait fish. He grabbed that small swim bait. And you just have to be lucky to end up hooking a gar on a single hook like that, because their mouth is all bone. There's almost no place to get them hooked. But so it's fun fish to reel in. They're not a targeted species almost ever, but it's pretty cool. And right after this fish, the storms really moved in, and thunder and lightning kind of pushed me off the water. So that was pretty much the only fishing I could get in that morning. I was a little disappointed. I was hoping to find some more bass. But overall, really fun trip to Lake Murray. I definitely recommend checking it out if you're in the area in South Carolina. Super cool. Really nice bass fishery, so I'll definitely be back. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.